there, I'm Jenny, the assistant manager here at Sun Retreats Crystal River. Thank you for booking your stay with us. Come on, let me show you around. Here's one of our favorite amenities, where we have our screened-in pool that's heated year-round. We also have a hot tub and our connected clubhouse where we have many activities. Our guests and residents like to stay active with our outdoor playground, horseshoes, shuffleboard, basketball court, and outdoor gym equipment. We are a pet-friendly resort where we have a nice dog park where you can hang out with all your furry friends. After a fun day of activities, you can come back to our community fire pit where you can sit around and make some s'mores. Our whole team is here to make sure your stay is wonderful. Let me introduce you to Sebastian, our maintenance director.
Thank you, Jenny. If there's anything I can do to help, please come and find me.
Many of our guests and residents enjoy off-site activities. They like to go out to Three Sisters Springs where they see the manatees, go scalloping in the summer, or head downtown to Crystal River where they enjoy dining, shopping, and many of our festivals. At our resort, there's various ways to stay, short-term or long-term. With long-term, you sign an annual agreement. This gives you access to discounted rates, year-round use of our activities and amenities, and you come and go as you please. Our RV sites come pull through or back in. They're full hookups. The pads include paved, grass, or gravel. This is one of our vacation rentals. They come in 1 or 2 bedroom, fully furnished, and have all the amenities at home. We also have long-term opportunities, which come furnished or unfurnished. We also have vacation homes for purchase. Come see me to schedule a tour. We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Retreats Crystal River, where you'll find your sunnier side. We'll see you soon.